Hello everyone, this course is BUSML 7047 Analytics for Macro Marketing Data. This video is for Lecture 10, Case Study 1, Word of Mouth. Before watching this lecture, please read this article, Word of Mouth for Movies, Its Dynamics and Impact on Box Office Revenue, by Yong Liu. The article is available in comment. In this lecture, I briefly introduce a study about the effect of online word-of-mouth conversations on box office sales for movies. Similar to Goddess and Maislin's article, this article examines the effect of word-of-mouth on product sales by using online conversation data. The difference from Goddess and Maislin's study is the context, the movie industry. The author uses online word-of-mouth information to explain box office revenue. This study also differs from Goddess and Maislin's study in several ways. First, this study focuses on the balance metrics as well as the volume metric. Second, the pre-release period is added into the study. And third, the dynamic patterns of word-of-mouth, that is, how it evolves over time, are also investigated. The author collected the data from various sources. The box office and the number of screens were collected from Movie Magazine, and the key variables, the word-of-mouth metrics, were collected from Yahoo Movies message board, which was the most popular movie website and had the largest number of unique visitors. The time span of the data is only 5 months in 2002 due to the difficulty of the data collection. This figure represents the conceptual framework of dynamics in this article. At week 0, which means the pre-release period, people may create expectations based on the movie features such as genre and star power, and the expectations reflected the word-of-mouth conversations. In the first week after the release, box office sales may be affected by various factors. First, movie features and critics may affect the sales. Second, the number of screens and the strength of competition may affect the sales. The screen variable plays an important role because it is a decision variable of movie makers, distributors, and theaters. Competition is also an important variable. If there are good competing movies recently released, sales are highly likely to be stolen by the competitors. Third, the word of mouth during the past week may affect the sales, reflecting the expectations. And the word of mouth is carried over and updated with the new conversations. The conceptual model was implemented by a separate cross-sectional log model for each week. LNREV is the dependent variable, the log of box office revenue of movie I at week T. The log revenue is explained by CONST, which denotes a constant, LN, which denotes the log of the number of screens, LNMSG, which denotes the log of word-of-mouth volume, POSIPER, and NEGPER, which denote the percentages of positive and negative word-of-mouth. That is, the valence of word-of-mouth and other control variables are also included. This table shows the estimation results of the model. Those variables are the key. As you can see, only LMMSG, which indicates the volume of word-of-mouth conversations, has a positive and significant effect on the box office revenue. And the significant effect exists only for the first 5 weeks after release. So, the author in this article found that word-of-mouth information offers significant explanatory power for weekly box office revenue, especially in the early weeks after movie opens. However, most of the explanatory power comes from the volume of word-of-mouth, not from its valence. Then, let's do it by ourselves. In the assignment, you will learn how to do web scraping to collect the data from the web. Using the additional data of online word-of-mouth information, analyze the word-of-mouth effect on box office sales for a movie. Alright, that's all I have in this lecture. Then, see you. Bye bye.